Sometimes when we create documents in Microsoft Word, we also create several tables where the table shape is the same, but the data in it is different. Well, rather than making tables over and over again, it is better to copy the previous table and replace the data so that the process is fast. To copy a table in Microsoft Word, the method is very easy. First, determine the table to be copied, then move the cursor to the upper left corner of the table, until a box appears in the table. Click the box until the entire table is selected or blocked. After that, right-click the mouse and select Copy, then go to the page where the copied table will be placed. Place the cursor or click on a location on the page, right-click the mouse again and select Paste. Now, the table that we copied earlier will automatically appear in the position we want, then you can delete the writing or data in it and replace it with other desired data. That's how to copy-paste table in Microsoft Word. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for you. See you in the next video.